Hey Charm Squad, this is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have all of the magic. As you saw, we did Jessica Rabbit, but we'd be amiss to forget her main man, Mr. Roger Rabbit. So I'm so excited today to bring you this very fun tutorial using Madam Glam goodies to bring Roger to life. While painting him, I could not get over how darling Dearest is. Oh, okay, so Dearest is the background of this gorgeous nail, and both matte and glossy. She is just so bad. But I wanted to have the smoothest background and just have basically the polish glide on the nail while I was doing this art, and especially mapping out Sir Roger. So I did the velvet matte base, and I found that working on top of that was so smooth, and I was able to just draw him to perfection. Now I wanted his ears to overlap and like crisscross, making a heart. So I wanted to make sure that I could kind of see which ear was on top of the other ear as they were making the heart. And that's why I'm emphasizing right here the pink, the inner side of the ear, so we can really see which ear is scooping around making that love heart. Now throughout the movie, it's palpable how much Roger loves Jessica. So I wanted to make sure that the love heart eyes were jumping out of his face and just that he was the stinking cutest ever. I also thought it was so interesting that both Roger and Jessica have similar hair. So I had really fun doing his little patch of hair here. And as we are going through and doing all of the gorgeous accents for this nail, because there's a lot of little details and that's really what brings him together, I wanted to quickly read for you the gorgeous colors we used today. So to make Roger Rabbit, we used, first of all, we gotta do the tool breakdown. So Madam Glam's application brush, dotting tool, petal brush, and the polishes were Dearest, Love's Veil, Loyal, and Berry Blush, all from the new Amour Tints collection. And we also used their no wipe top coat, their base coat, perfect black, perfect red, perfect yellow, perfect orange, live colorfully, sunset in Florida, yellow cap, Playa, Matty, velvet matte, black gel paint, and white gel paint to create this glorious Roger Rabbit rendition. Now I can't get over how stinking precious he was, and at this point he was already jumping off the nail, and I was just too excited because I could see the vision coming together. But when you look at Roger, his bow tie is one of the things that jumps out more than anything. So being able to use that blue Matty and the perfect yellow, it was just a match made in heaven to showcase his iconic bow. It put everything and tied everything together. Now this method for the hearts, I adore. It is so easy. I'm using Madam Glam's dotting tool, and you simply just do 2 dots. You connect them first in the inner section of the 2 dots, and then work down that product to create that perfect end of the heart, the like bottom. It is so easy, but you get a perfect heart every time. And I think these love eyes just set Roger apart and just made him perfect side by side, his main lady. I just absolutely love Who Framed Roger Rabbit. So for Valentine's, being able to do a set inspired by this famous couple, it was just everything. So if you guys would like to see more character art, please comment down below which characters you would love to see. Oh, I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's tutorial, and I promise you, it is going to be jaw-dropping because I am using the most stunning colors as you've been seeing featured here from Amour Tints. I cannot scream enough. I was able to use all of the cream polishes from this collection to make Sir Roger Rabbit, and just this formula and the colors are everything. So I can't wait to bring you so much more magic with it. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, step by step, on Sir Roger Rabbit. I cannot wait to see you in the next character art series. Thank you for watching. Oh, and I'd be amiss to say, if you were inspired to paint Roger, I would love you to tag me so I could see your creations, because this has just been such a fun project, and I would love to do some more famous couples. I was even thinking of doing Plankton and his computer wife Karen. I thought it would be so adorable. So if anybody has any suggestions, I would love to hear it down below. And of course, I want to hear what you think about these nails. Would you wear these? I'm just sending all of the love, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.